Welcome back. Finally, the state government has formed a committee for submission of georeference cadastral map. These maps would be basis for preparation of all statutory as well as working plans of mines. Union Ministry of Mines and Indian Bureau of Mines had asked the state government to submit the same in 2010. However, the earlier government failed to do so. Now, Parrikar-led government-appointed committee held its first meeting on Monday. State government has formed a committee for the submission of georeference cadastral map. They held its first meeting on Monday. The committee consists of officials from Land Survey, Science and Technology, Forest and Mines. The committee, in association with Chowgule College, has taken a pilot project. They have taken 5 mines from Bicholi Taluka on pilot basis. The report of the pilot project is expected to be ready by 20th of October. The maps will be based for the preparation of all statutory as well as working plans of mines. A senior reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Omkar Fahari for Prudent Media. Bargemen may be the first casualties of a mining ban. Confusion and chaos struck the bargemen in Vasco. They are annoyed with the notices sent by exporters and barge owners changing their duty structures. Some of the bargemen are also asked to go home. Moreover, they are annoyed as their union office has been shut down from past 2 months. Around 300 to 350 bargemen gathered at Vasco on Monday. They informed media that barge owners and exporters have served them notices informing about change in duty timings. They are not happy with the change.
तुमकां 9 महिने काम 3 महिने ब्रेक आणि फुल आमची चलता 16 days on and 15 days off. So ते आता आख्खो ब्रेक करून आख्खो महिनोभर काम करूंक कोत्तात. ना मान्य ना पूण तेणी पयलीं आमकां कन्सल्ट जावपा जाय युनियनाक आनी उपरांत आमचें कितें उलोवप जाता वो मॅनेजमेंटाचें उलोवप जाता आनी आमच्या वर्करांचें कितें उलोवप पळय जाता त्या प्रमाणे आमी तें कोत्तले.
However, some are served termination notices. General Secretary of United Bargemen Association Govind Bhosle claims that association is not taken into confidence before taking the decision.
चडशा वर्करांक आपापल्या कंपनीनी लेटरां दिल्या की त्यांचे इस्टॅब्लिशमेंट क्लोज जाता आणि ते तुम्ही घरा वचा म्हणून. तेजेर आमी ऑलरेडी प्रोटेस्ट केल्लो आहा आणि आमच्या मॅटर आमी लेबर कमिशनाकडे रिफर केल्ले आहा की हेंच्यांनी आमकां डिस्कस करनासतना ओनरांनी हे वर्करांक ही लेटरां दिल्ली आहा. हेज्या पयलीं अशें केन्ना घडना नासलें. पयलीं युनियना कडेन डिस्कस करून एक म्युच्युअल कन्सेंट करूनच मागीर लेटरां दिताले. पूण आतां तेंच्यांनी ज्या प्रमाणे मायनींग बंद आसा, बार्जीस बंद आहा, हेजी एक तेंच्यांनी एडवांटेज घेतल्या आनी कामगारांक एक्सप्लॉयटेशन करपाचो प्रयत्न म्हणून त्यांच्यानी आता तांकां सांगलां की तुम्ही आपापल्या घरा वचात, आमचे कडेन काम ना म्हणून. पूण म्हाका अशें दिसना की आतांच ती परिस्थिती येयल्या म्हणून. म्हाका दिसता की तेंच्यांनी 3-4 म्हयने तरी वाट पळोवपाक जाय आसली. आमकां तेंच्यांनी थंय आफोवंक जाय आसलें, लेबर कमिशना कडेन मिटींग घेवंक जाय आसली आनी मागीरच कितें तें तेंच्यांनी डिसिजन घेवपाचें.
Moreover, the union office has been shut down from past 2 months after some verbal duel among workers. They have demanded that the office should be reopened.
ऑफिस बंद असल्या कारणान कामगारांक आपल्यो अडचणी कोणाक सांगूंक मेळनात. तरी आसतना अबावट चडांत चड प्रस्न आमी भायल्या भायर हँडल केल्ले आहात. चडशे मॅटर्स आमी लेबर कमिशनाक रिफर केल्ले आहात आनी तेंच्या कडेन आमी पणजे वचून लेबर कमिशना कडेन फुडें मांडून तेंचें सॉल्व केल्लें आहा. आतां फुडें जेन्ना हो जी कितें आतां परिस्थिती येयल्या पळय, घरा बस म्हणून सांगतात, ताका लागून आमचें फुडलें कितें एजिटेशन आहा पळय तें आमची आख्खी विजिलन्स कमिटी आनी आमी वचून थारायतले वॉट वील बी द फ्युचर कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन.
The new season for barge owners began from 16 September. However, with the government's order to ban mining till further order, the ore transportation is yet to begin. And now the barge owners and exporters have decided to change the duty timings. Some of them have been asked to pack their bags. Seems like bargemen are in serious trouble. Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar. News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.